Hello YouTube. In this video I'll be showing you 3 different styles with braids in the front and canicle hair in the back. And since I couldn't choose which style I like the best, why don't y'all let me know which one y'all like at the end of the video. So we're going to start off with some edge control and some Freetress canicle braiding hair. We're going to start off by parting my hair down the middle for the first style, and I want to make sure that part was straight because I'd be having issues parting my hair down the middle. Next, I'm going to take a scrunchie and separate this side of the hair so it's out the way. Then I'm going to use my comb to make a small box in the front, and I will be doing that on both sides. Then I use another scrunchie to get that hair on that side out the way. So I knew for this style I wanted very small braids in the front just to create a little razzle dazzle for this style. So you're going to see me here just making really small parts in the front of my head. Next, I'm going to start braiding, and I did not use any gel in the front just because these braids were already so small and my hair is straight. So for the next 30 seconds, you'll see me completing the rest of the braids in the front of my head. So when I was done, there were 6 braids in the front, and now I'm going to take my edge control and slick the sides down because I know I wanted this style to be very sleek. Next, I'm going to use my brush to work that product through, and then take 2 rubber bands to make 2 pigtails in the back of my head for the first style. So now that the pigtails are in, I did notice that the ponytails looked very thin, which is why I decided to add the canicle hair. But now you're going to see me brushing out those baby hairs because you know the edge has got to be laid. And now I'm going to be adding the Freetress canicle hair to each ponytail to make it thicker. Once I attach the hair, then I kind of blend my hair in and then braid those 2 ponytails down for like a Pippi Longstockings look. And y'all, I know I already look really pediatric by the face, but I know these pigtails make me look even more childish, but I still thought it was cute. So once I braided the hair down, I actually spreaded it out to give it a fuller look, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So once I was done, I was like, girl, this look kind of like childish. But anyways, I decided to add some gold hoops to the front to just give it a little, pizzazz. And then I was like, okay, well, this looks a little cute. But this is style number 1. Okay, so on to the second style. I just took those same braids and kind of wrapped them up and made them look, I don't know, I guess like space buns, because I think the space bun look is kind of cute. I do think I look like a little mouse, but cute little mouse, I guess. But this is style number 2. Okay, so for the third style, I decided to take those ponytails down and put my hair in a big ponytail. And I was like, let's do a side ponytail. So then I wanted a very thick, disrespectful side ponytail. So I added both of those packs of canicle hair to the ponytail. And then I actually braided that down to give it a big jumbo braid. That braid ended up being so thick that I actually had to pin it down. So once I was done, I actually added some hoops to the braid to give it a little razzle dazzle. I don't know why I keep saying razzle dazzle, but I thought the hoops just added so much flavor to that ponytail since it was so big and disrespectful. Next, I kind of, flat iron those ends in the back to give it a cute little curl. And then I was done. As you're going to see, this is my favorite style. I was feeling it, but this is style number 3. Let me know down below which style y'all like the best. A recap of all 3 styles is coming up. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see y'all in my next video.